welcome to another episode of the Cuban Gardener. Today I'll be showing you how to plant or how to grow beetroot in containers. These I started from seeds, and I'll be planting them here. Okay, to plant mostly any vegetable, including beetroot, you need a container like this. You don't want it too hot, too deep, because it's useless. Now, the most important thing is the soil. The soil has to contain a lot of organic matter, and that helps with the moisture. You need moisture, otherwise they will not grow roots. Once we have the container filled up, the next thing you want to do is you want to use some kind of organic fertilizer. You can get this at Walmart, Lowe's, anything for cheap, like $4 or $5. It's very nice. It's like 546, so it's very good. Not too high on nitrogen. Now, since we're growing beets, you cannot add too much nitrogen to the soil, because otherwise it'll grow the leaves, the stems and all that, but it wouldn't grow the root itself, the root ball. So you want to use something balanced like this, or you don't want to use a 10-10-10 or anything like that. And just mix it up real well for the top few inches. Then you don't really need to add anything else, but I usually add rock dust or azomite to all my plants or soils. This is like a multivitamin for the plants. Contains over 60 minerals, and it's organic. Alright, so we have the seeds, the seedlings here, or transplants if you want to call them, and I'm gonna plant two, actually one. You don't want to keep them too close, okay? These are very sensitive, so their stems break apart too easily. Alright, next step is just add a little bit of water and let nature take its course and let them grow.